Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to JustmeNorsky Kitchen. Today we're going to cook oxtail soup, Filipino style. I'm lucky because this is the original price and this morning is only $30. So this is oxtail meat. So this is our ingredients: taro, onion, ginger, and long chili, my vegetable. So first we're going to wash the meat and blanch it. There's a very big fat in here, but don't worry, we will discard it later. We're going to cut it away. This is now our meat. So I cut some fat, but I left some ginger, onion, and I have decided to put some tomato. Maybe this is oxtail sinigang. Lagay na natin lahat dyan. So let it simmer for maybe 2 hours. And we will come back. So ito na guys yung ating pinalambot na oxtail meat. So it's so soft now. And so we're going to put the taro and the chili. Yes. After 10 minutes, we can put the leafy vegetables. We'll be adding some bitchin, salt. Para maging authentic ang kanyang amoy at lasa, maglagay tayo ng patis. Ang hindi mawawala sa Pinoy recipe, ang patis. Maamoy pero masarap. Di ba guys? Lambot na yung taro. Ang sarap ng ulam ni Inday. Ay, nako. Sira na naman ang diet. Ah.